If you've ever opened a grainy or noisy photo in Gimp and wish there was a fast, simple way to make it look cleaner, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in Gimp using a couple of easy methods, including the built-in noise reduction filter and a more advanced option for tougher images. This is perfect if you're working with photos that look rough, digital images with grain, or screenshots that need a cleaner finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gimp tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Gimp and load the image you want to clean up. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to look closely at the noisy areas so you can see the improvement as you work. For the easiest method, go to the top menu and click Filters. Then hover over Enhance and from the menu, choose Noise Reduction. Once the filter window opens, you'll want to check the preview box so you can see your adjustments live. This is really helpful because it lets you compare the image before and after without guessing. Now look for the strength slider. Drag it to the right to reduce the visible grain and smooth out the noise in the image. Start with a small increase and then slowly move it higher if needed. The key here is balance. If you push the strength too far, the image can start to look overly soft or blurred and important details may disappear. So take your time, make small adjustments and watch the preview closely. If the image still looks natural and the noise is reduced, you're on the right track. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the changes. That's the first method, and for many images, it's all you need. But if your photo still has noise that looks a little too stubborn, or if the standard filter doesn't give you the result you want, Gimp has another option you can try using GEGL operations. This is a more advanced tool, but it can be really useful when you need extra control. To use it, go to Tools, then click GEGL Operation. In the Operation drop-down menu, look for options like Denoise DCT or Bilateral Filter. These are designed to help smooth out noise while trying to preserve edges and detail as much as possible. After selecting one of these operations, use the settings in the configuration window to fine-tune the effect. Adjust the properties carefully so you can find the right balance between smoothing and sharpness. If you increase the effect too much, the image can lose texture, but if you keep it too low, the noise may still be visible. The best approach is to make small changes, check the result, and compare it until the image looks clean but still realistic. This method is especially useful for more advanced users or for photos where you need a stronger denoising effect than the basic filter can provide. So to recap, if you want a quick and easy way to reduce noise in Gimp, start with Filters, Enhance, and Noise Reduction. If you need more control or better results on difficult images, try GEGL operations with Denoise DCT or Bilateral Filter. Both methods can make a big difference once you know how to use them properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next Gimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.